Good morning, children. In the previous class, we completed the fourth chapter. Okay, worksheet also we completed. Today we will discuss about the new chapter, that is fifth chapter. What we get from plants. What we get from plants. Okay, here the name itself is there. From the plants, what we are getting. Okay, general you know what we are getting. That we will discuss today. Before going to the lesson, just we will discuss about the new words in this chapter. Some new words are there. That is heal. First one is the heal. 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 Heal means to make healthy. Okay. Next, cure. 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 Cure means treatment. Cure means treatment. Okay. When we are going to the hospital, we'll be getting cure. That is, if you are suffering from any disease, if you are going to hospital and using the medicines, we will be getting cured. That is, we are taking the treatment and become healthy. Next one is the property. 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 Property means here a quality, that is useful quality of a thing, that is essential quality of a thing is called as a property. Okay. Some of the substances, they are having their own property, that is they are having their own quality, we can say. Next is the wound. 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 Wound means injury, means gayam in Telugu. Okay, these are the new words in this chapter. Only 4 are there. Next, coming to the plants, what we are getting from the plants, that is products obtained from the plants. What are the products obtained from the plants? We will discuss now. Okay, PRODUCTS, products means what are the useful material, useful substance, useful thing we are getting from the plants. Nothing but the product, we can say, result we can say. Okay, just we, the human beings, we are depending upon the plants in many ways. You know this one. Okay, here what are the plants? You know, in the plants we are having three parts, three main divisions the plants are having. They are the herbs, herbs, herbs. Next, shrubs, shrubs, shrubs. And next, third one is the trees. What is the third one? Trees. HERBS, herbs, SHRUBS, shrubs, TREES, trees. Okay, here we are using the plants, that is we are using the herbs, shrubs and trees. Here we can say that to fulfill our needs, that is we are getting from the plants, that is what we are getting food from the plants, we are getting shelter from the plants, we are getting clothing from the plants. Okay, let us discuss one by one in detail. Okay, first we will discuss about the food. FOOD, food. You know, we are getting food from the plants only, various food items, so many food items are obtained, okay, are produced from the plants only. Let us discuss this one. Okay, children, first food is vegetables and fruits. We will discuss. Okay, here vegetables, VEGTABLES, vegetables, and this is and fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Okay children, here we eat different parts of a plant, you know this one. If you are seeing the examples, okay, suppose spinach or mint is there. Spinach means palakura, mint means we can say it as a pudina. Here what we are using for spinach, palakura and pudina, we are using we are eating the leaves. Okay, spinach leaves we are eating, mint leaves we are eating, that is a leafy vegetable that we are getting from the, where we are getting, that we are getting from the plants only. Okay, next coming to the just leaves part is the leaves part example. Just now we discussed spinach, palakura, mint, pudina. Okay, this, from this we are eating the leaves. Okay, that is leaves of these plants are useful as a food for us. Okay, coming to the roots, just for example carrot, radish, what we are taking here, the useful part of this roots, carrot or radish is roots we are eating. Okay, we are using, that is we are getting from the plants only. Roots also over. Next coming to the stems. Roots example means blindly you can say it as a carrot, radish, like that you can say. Leaf means spinach, mint, amaranthus, totakura, like that you can say. Amaranthus means totakura. Next, we are also eating the stems of some plants. What are the stems of some plants? Example, potato. Okay, potatoes. Potato, and also example lotus. But we are not eating lotus stems, but they gave you best example is a potato stem we are eating. That is here all from the stem, roots, leaves, all these we are getting from the plants only. These are the examples of the vegetables. Fruits, you know. What are the fruits we are getting from the plants? Banana, from the plant only we are getting. Apple, we are getting from the plant only. So many, oranges, everything we are getting from the plants only. Okay, fruits. Here these are the examples of the fruits. Which one examples? Banana, apple, so many are there. Okay, pomegranate. Okay, guava, all we are getting from the plants only. In this way the plants are helping us as a food for us. That is, they are giving vegetables, they are giving the fruits for us. Okay, this is about the vegetables and fruits. Next coming to the pulses. Pulses means pappulu. Pulses, pulses. Here coming to the pulses, here we are taking the seeds of some plants. That is example bean, chikkudu. Bean means chikkudu. That is a pulse only. Moong, rajma, moong, minapappu, like that. Pesarpappu, you can say moong dal, pesarpappu. Moong, rajma also, that is a one kind of pulse only, pappu only. Rajma and arhar, these are the examples. All these are the examples of the pulses only. That is dals, pappulu, that we are eating. That is, we are getting these pulses also from the plants only. What are the pulses? Seeds of different plants. That is example bean, moong, rajma, arhar. All these are the examples of what? Examples of pulses, that is dals, that we are eating in our daily life. They are very, very good for our health. Okay, that's why you have to take daily, you have to take pulse, one type of pulse and one type of vegetable, and one vegetable and one pulse. You mix it, and if you are cooking, it will be very, very good for your health, and it is a balanced diet for you children. Okay. Next coming to the spices. SPICES, spices. Spices means, you know, if you are going to a kitchen and if you are asking your mother what are spices, she will explain you clearly children. Okay. And also if you are going to a kitchen and asking about the pulses, different kinds of pulses, you go and ask your mom. She will tell you what pulse, which is the pulse, and she will show to you. so that you can understand it easily, children. Go to the kitchen, all of you girls and boys, go to the kitchen and ask your mother to show different types of pulses, that is to show different types of dals, that is pappulu. You ask her to give show different types of pappulu, so that you can understand it easily. Okay, children, because you know which type of pulse is one, that one, pesar pappu, minapappu, kandi, like that, moong dal, bean dal, everything you have to know. Okay, children. Next, coming to the spices. Spices also you go and ask your mom. Here, what are the spices importance? They are giving flavor to our food. They are adding extra flavor, extra taste. Without spices also we can cook. It will be good only. But if we are adding spices to the cooked food, what will happen? It will be giving additional flavor, more flavor to our food. They are making our food so delicious, and that is so tasty. So nice it will be. The food will be so delicious and nice, so tasty. Okay. For example, then what are the spices here? Examples: chili, cumin seeds, that is jeera, you can say. Okay. Coriander means dhania. Okay, I will write here the names, children, so that you can understand easily. Here spices. What are the spices? Chili, I won't write. You know chili. CHILL, chili. Cumin seeds. CUMIN, cumin seeds. That is, cumin seeds means you can say it as a jeera. Okay. Next one, coriander. CORIANDER, coriander. Coriander means dhania in Telugu. Dhania, 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 coriander. Okay. Next, dhania, dhaniyalu. Okay. Next, coming to the cardamom. Cardamom. CARDA, cardamom. CARDAMOM, cardamom. Cardamom means ilachi in Telugu. ELAICHI, ilachi. Okay. Next, coming to the clove means lavang. Clove. CLOVE, clove. Clove means lavangam. Okay. And also asafoetida, ingua you are calling in Telugu, no? Ingua. That is hing. HENG, hing. Asafoetida. ASAFOETIDA, asafoetida. Spelling is also important, children. Asafoetida means ingua. These are the examples of the some spices. Examples of what? Spices. What are? Cumin seeds, coriander, cardamom, clove, asafoetida. If you are adding these spices to the food, that is for the cooking purpose, if you are adding this one, these spices, they are adding flavor to our body. They are giving taste, that is the food will become more delicious, that is more tasty. Okay, children. That is, if you are for preparation of biryani, if you are using this cloves, cardamom, coriander, everything, if you are using, it will be so tasty. If you are not adding anything, this simply preparing biryani, how it will be? You are not able to eat, no? Will you eat? You are not able to eat. If you are adding all these spices, it will be so tasty. Suppose chicken is there, mutton is there, this, okay, that non-veg. If you are adding this one, cardamom, clove, coriander, if you are adding, it will be so tasty. The food will become so delicious. Okay, they are adding the flavor to our food. For vegetables, generally we no need of adding all this. Just simply coriander, if you are adding, enough for you. No need of adding these spices that much. But for non-veg, you have to add this one compulsory. Otherwise, the food it won't be delicious. It won't be tasty. Okay, children. This, now we discussed about the which one? Vegetables and fruits we are getting from the plants. and even the pulses also we are getting from the plants, and even the spices also we are getting from the plants only. That is, we are depending upon the plants in various way. Okay, how the plants are helpful for our plant, that is, so many products we are getting from the plants. That is, products obtained from the plants are more and more. Okay, children. Okay, up to here we discussed today. In the next class we will discuss about the cereals and others. Okay, other food items what we are getting from the plants, and other useful plants, and everything we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, children. The homework for you today is just write the vegetables and fruits, and also the pulses, and also the spices. Examples you write, one table you prepare, vegetables and fruits examples, pulses examples, and also cereals examples. You make a table form, 3 tables, and just you write the examples, enough. Okay, vegetable examples you know, brinjal, tomato. Okay, we also eat the fruits of the some vegetables, that is plants as vegetables such as brinjal or tomato. Examples you write it. Fruits, apple or banana, like that, pomegranate, like that. And others, pulses, moong, rajma, arhar, like that. Next is not pulses, pulses, bean, moong, rajma, arhar, you write it. And coming to the next is spices. Spices, what you are writing here? Spices, chili, cumin. Cumin is, that is jeera. In bracket you write jeera, because you have to know. Okay, just I will show you the diagram, children, just to see here. Just to see here, children, rajma. This is a rajma, like this it will be. Next, this one is the arhar. Arhar is the, this also the pulse. This is the moong, just you see here. Coming to the spices, just if you are seeing the spices, these are the, this is the coriander, dhania, how it is, just you see it here. This is a chili, you know chili. This is the clove, lavang, clove. This is the cumin seeds, just to see how are the cumin seeds. This is the cardamom, just you see here, cardamom, how it is. These all are the spices. These are the vegetables and fruits. This you know already, you know this one. Okay, children. This you write in a tabular form. This homework for you, children. Write and send me the pic. Okay, write neatly, and also the spellings also so important, children. Don't make mistakes in writing the spellings. You have to learn the spellings and you have to write it properly and send me the pic. Okay, children. Okay, bye for today's class.